sheet 27 centimeter long, 8 centimeter broad and 1 centimeter thick is melted into a cube. Find the difference between the surface areas of the two solids. Here, this is a metal sheet of the dimensions given, and this we have melted and converted the whole metal into a cube. So the important part is volume of the sheet will be equal to the volume of the cube because the metal does not change. So just find the volumes of both and equate them. Volume of the metal sheet equals to L into breadth into height. So 28 into 8 into 1. Sorry, 27 into 8 into 1. So that is 216. Now volume of the cube is what? This is same. So cube will be 216 centimeter cube. But what is the cube? Volume of the cube formula. Volume of the cube formula is side cube. See this. This is a cube. And each side is equal. So what is the volume? Side into side into side means L into breadth into height. But all are same. That's why side cube. So equals to A cube. We have assumed the side to be A. So A cube equals to 216. So A equals to what? Square cube root of this. But what is the cube root of 216? That is 6 because 6 6 is 36. 36 6 is 216. You remember these up to 30. Squares up to 30 and cubes up to at least 15. And tables up to 30 by heart. Now we got the side. Now what you want is the surface area. Surface area means what? What do you mean the surface area of the cube? We have to find the difference between the two surface areas. So first find the surface area of the sheet. Now what is the surface area of the sheet? Surface of the area of the sheet is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into again length. And that 2 times. Why 2 times? Because surface area means all the areas of this sheet. Means this area plus this area same. That will be same. Similarly this area plus back side plus this area plus this side. So 2 times of 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. That's why 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. So multiply this and you get 502. Now area of the cube is what? Side cube. So it is 6 into A cube because it has 6 faces and each face is A square. So 6 into A square it is. So it becomes 216 again. So the difference now becomes 502 minus 216, that is 280.